butandejo kuza kubaho n'ikigambwa ngo yerigirira hari driver wa motoka eyekika cha Firda obire narwa football ari kuza Kyenjojo kandi ari kuvuga endima ati kuyaza kushari cagana akahendera tahiro mu bejaba akabiteraho abeja bafire na atuhirwe Korinezi obire na shoma senior ya mukaga na Samuel Isingoma obire na shoma senior ya kana ahishomere rya Kyenjojo Secondary School kandi umushacu witu yakayishomereri.
These learners were traveling back home. They are day scholars. They were traveling back home, and along the way they were knocked down by an over-speeding vehicle, and that vehicle actually rammed them as they were in their lane. And the other driver was trying to dodge the mud that had covered part of the road.
Sempara yagamba abagenzi nk'abana babire b'imitwe kandi barukundo kushoma.
As a school, Kyenjojo Secondary School, we have lost a lot, and those candidates were promising to pass highly, and they were disciplined boys. And actually one of them, Collins, senior 6, was even looking after himself, was touching here and there to make ends meet, paying his own fees. So being a weekend, he was traveling back to the village to look for
twamanyise bwangu driver ayurikire kandi ye motoka twagishanga polisi ya Kyenjojo twagezaho kugamba na polisi aha kamera zitu bitu byarema konka batumanyisa ngo bariyo bahiga driver ugo.
So we are requesting that along the road the traffic police to help us to safeguard the lives of people by apprehending those people who are overspeeding, who are recklessly driving, sometimes under the influence of alcohol.
Emibiri y'abagenzi ebandize kutwarwa hakabafu ahirwa reri ya Kyenjojo General Hospital kandi bwanyuma yahebwa abanyabuzade okuzika abagenzi no kwanyencha karuma kagabazire babo umugomboro ya Nyantungo hamwe na Butiti. Amakuru agagasha kwa Daniel Bingana.